We are parents just like you, and with summer camp approaching soon, we know how important it is for you to have 100% confidence and trust that your child is in a safe environment at all times. A summer camp environment that you feel comfortable with and know is taking every precaution to keep kids germ-free and healthy. But there are many choices in the Colleyville and HEB area, so we invite you to choose the best, and that is NTA Taekwondo Colleyville Summer Camp. Here at NTA Taekwondo Colleyville Summer Camp, we are proud to partner with leading organizations who are using the newest and most powerful disinfecting and sanitizing solutions in our campuses to ensure your child's health. From providing germ-killing air purification systems, antiseptic UV lighting, and medical-grade deep cleaning methods, we guarantee the safest, cleanest, and healthiest environment for you and your child.